Hey guys, it's Mega Mr. Crush. Welcome back to another England tour. This time we're in Canary Wharf. That's one kind of the square. Don't look at it for too long. If you're right in front of it, your neck hurts. Oh. Sorry. There we are. Citigroup car. That's really good. I don't know. What do you think? No idea what that is. No idea what that is. Barclays. River over there. Pedestrians. The square, and you'll find this on Wikipedia. Some cafes. This is in the middle of the square. Let's see. And something else. Oh. Bank of America? Why is there a bloody Bank of America in bloody England? HSBC Tower. Hope you can see it well. Like it? I know you might. Whoa. What was that? Yeah, London is just a place full of ads. You're bound to have at least one wedding interrupted every day. Anyway, that's the end of this London tour. But there's one thing I ask from you. Please rate, comment and subscribe.